Hey, greetings from Texas. I'm out here today. It's finally stopped raining. It's Sunday. I didn't do any deer hunting today because it stopped raining. All the neighbors are out. You may hear them burning brush, taking advantage of the wet ground and the day off. So this is my December Camp Alliance challenge, which is a camping meal. I'm out here in my primitive camp, and I have some of the stuff that I take motorcycle camping here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make some pork chili. So we have 1 pound of ground pork, and I have a little chili kit that I put together. In it I have a bouillon cube. I mixed my seasonings. I got cumin, a little bit of brown sugar, black pepper, red chili flakes, oregano, and smoked sea salt. Then I have some smoked ancho chili powder. Whoop. I like these little containers. They're 9 ounces of crushed tomatoes. For me today, I'm just cooking for one, so that's 9 ounces compared to a 14.5 ounce can, which would be this size. And I have kidney beans. We got an onion, a head of garlic, a little bit of Worcestershire, and today we're going to use Tabasco. I brought that because it's a smaller bottle, and this will be our trash container. It's very wet. I wanted to do a wood fire, but I don't want to struggle with that, so I have a single burner Coleman and a little bush pot here. So let's go ahead and get things prepped up, and we'll get to cooking. For tableware, I'm going to use my Trangia mess kit as a chili bowl, and I have a USGI spoon. Oh, I'm using vanilla bean oil. It's a smaller container, and it can handle high heat. So let's go ahead and get our stuff going. Deadfish chef's knife, which I got from Battle Box. Okay, we've been simmering for about 10 minutes. All right, ooh, good heat. Let's go ahead and add our drained beans. Uh-oh, got an escapee. Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back in another 10 minutes when that's heated through. All right, while that's finishing up, let's go ahead and get everything ready. Cheers. All righty, let's check her out. Okay, let's call it done. All right. That's some good stuff there, folks. Hot. And spicy. Oh. Okay. Well, looks like we got a dinner guest buzzing the camera. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Kudos to everybody in the Camp Alliance Challenge. I'll hashtag it so Al Chafe and Expeditionary Johnny can have a look and place it in their Camp Alliance Challenge playlist. As always, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button. Don't cost nothing. And share the video if you like it. Take care. Cheers.